Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to provide a quick overview of what the www or www URLs mean. When our web crawler crawls your site, it collects all of the information that you would need to do with SEO as well as various other technical components, and we analyse and check that information so that we can show it to you in a more useful format. The summary tab of the reporting section, which can be found by clicking the link in the side menu or from various other locations around the software. Now if we just focus in on the canonical section, we can see that www URLs is a classification of URLs. And what that means is that the URL contains a www or a www. We've given this the all good because there's nothing intrinsically wrong with having www in your URL. But if we go to a site like ours and we type in, although you can't see this, if you type in www and hit the and dot, it will redirect you to the exact same page minus the www, and that means that all of these cannot be accessed, which is why when we click on this number we won't see any information about URLs that contain www. If you did, you would be able to check the URL itself, the status, the canonical URL that page has, if it has one, whether it's listed in a sitemap, if the page is in fact canonical, and if it meets the criteria that we have for it being indexable. By clicking the data in the breadcrumbs, that will take you back to this page here. And you can see that there's also information about the latest crawl versus the previous crawl and how much that's differed since the two crawls have been performed. So there's no significant advantage to using www or not using www. We prefer to not include it because it makes the URL shorter, and typically shorter URLs have a slightly higher click-through rate. So everything that you can do to improve click-through rate is well worth doing, and there's also absolutely no advantage to having it in there. So if there's no advantage to doing it, why not do it at all? Okay, I hope this has been useful to you. Thanks for watching.